Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we've got a box coming in from KCI Shipping Department. Alright, today I'm opening up my box with my Sage 5. This is the Rex 121 Sage 5 with the burnt orange G10 scales, and then my Ribs Garage Technology clip. Let's see what we have. We have two boxes today. I think it's going to be a little project we're going to work on. Ooh, peanuts. Peanuts. Alright, so we got a receipt. We got some stickers. So this one here, the next box is from Ribs Garage Technology, so let's take a look at that one. There's one more sticker in there. Didn't want to miss it. So I got a few Ribs Garage Technology stickers, which is cool. Save these for giveaways. All right, waiting on the Kapara or something. Hopefully everything's there. All right, so we'll look at that in a second. So first, let's look at this. What do we have here? Spyderco sticker. Congratulations, exclusive version of the Kapara S90V. So there we go. Let's take a look at what we have. So this one is listed as the Kapara Brown Burlap Micarta, and that's what this is, which is actually quite pretty. Is that a G10 or looks like a G10 backspacer? So let's do this again. Nice with the compression lock. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Nice. Pretty comfortable, yeah. How are we? Pretty centered, yeah. A little bit of a play, not too much. All right, so that's the first part. And we have this right here. And this is supposed to be Zerg-blasted. Another little sticker with a backspacer and a clip. Look at that. Okay. Not as polished as I thought it would be. I didn't know Zerg-blasted. It looks like there's a coating on it. All right, we're back. We're now looking at these different parts right here.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you, son. Appreciate that. All right, yeah, so we're looking at these. I thought Zerg-blasted was just, I didn't think it had a finish on it. It's like a aluminum blast sort of thing. I don't understand what people call these different finishes. They don't make sense to me. Yeah, it's a little disappointing because I thought this was going to be a little more exposed. Unfortunately, it's not. All right, well, we'll go ahead and build away, I guess. I think we're done. All right, so we'll have to take a look and see how this centers up and everything, but there you go. That's what we got right here. The little knife right there with the scales. Scales on the back side here. S90V backspacer. So there we go. All right, now I just messed up the focus. That's awesome. All right, we're back. Trying to finish up this video like for the 4th or 5th time here. I don't know what's going on. My video keeps cutting out, so this will be a choppy video. So this is the knife with the scales. We'll do just a quick zoom in here real quick. Take a look at the blade itself. And here we are with the scales. I put a little oil on there to see if that makes it look a little bit better. You can see there's a backspacer. I thought this was going to be a little more raw titanium. I didn't think it was going to feel like it's coated or something. Feels like it's got aluminum blast or something on there, right? And you can see there the liners, and there's the blade. And it is off to the left a little bit. I'm having a darndest time trying to center this blade. That is really quite annoying. And I hope I can figure that out, because that can be a deal killer, right? What do I have in there? Some lint in there, sorry. But that can be a deal killer, right? When you don't get that blade centered, especially if you're OCD like me. You can see the lockup. I think we're about looking at that lockup. Well, hold on. The lockup is probably about 20. Yeah, 20, 15, 20% maybe. Somewhere around there. That's what I'm going to guess. All right. So there we are with the knife itself right there. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about this one yet. I hope it's not the scales, because I don't remember having that lockup beforehand, and that's going to be really, really disappointing if it is. Kind of disappointed. Might be the last of my Rips Garage Technology stuff, I guess I'll do, if that's the case. So I was going to look at some of their other scales, but man, this is really frustrating. I don't have this issue with other scale makers. So, all right. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Yep. Sometimes it can be just, I'm having a bad day, which I was today, so I'll be honest with you. So hopefully we can clear all this up and it'll be fine. If you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button? If you've already hit the like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps me out, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So big shout out, thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, enjoys the content, is part of the community. I appreciate you, genuinely, seriously, thank you. If you haven't already, maybe consider hitting that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to my channel members. I appreciate you. You guys do 2 amazing things. You encourage me daily. That really means a lot. And 2, because of your generous support, you allow me to do things in this channel I didn't think I would be able to do for a while. So I appreciate that. For instance, I can do weekly budget banger giveaways. I can check out knives, cover the cost of shipping. When we do big giveaways, I can cover all those shipping costs and have memberships to different tools that I need for the channel. And I appreciate that so very much. Thank you. As a big way for me to say thank you to channel members, I do 2 things. I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. It's above a budget banger, so usually $100 or more, something nice. Hopefully that I hope you would enjoy receiving or giving away as a gift. And the other thing I like to do is all brand new channel members, I'd love to send you a channel sticker and a thank you note. And that really applies to pretty much anyone. 99% of the time it's channel members, right? Brand new channel members, right? But if you were a channel member all along, you never asked, or you were a channel member before and then became a channel member again and you never asked, or a brand new channel member and you've never asked or received a channel sticker, email me your name and address and I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. My small way to say thank you. All right, appreciate you guys. I know if you're curious how to become a channel member, there's a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you. Don't ever feel obligated. Only do it because you want to. But if you do, thank you. Sincerely, thank you. Also, please check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.